Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix laptop stuck in sleep mode on your Windows 11 laptop. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and press the power button once, and hopefully your laptop will wake up. Or the second step is just move your mouse or press some keys on your keyboard and check if your PC or laptop turns on. If that doesn't work, you can try to unplug and plug in the charging adapter again. And if that doesn't work, go to step 4, press the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. It will turn off your laptop. And after that, just click on it again to start the machine. And if that doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your start and right click on it and go to device manager. You have to somehow make sure your laptop wakes up and do this once. Just after coming to device manager, go to mice and other point device and right click on it and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. Do this for this as well. After that, just go to keyboard. Just find keyboard over here and update all the keyboard drivers as well. Make sure you're updated to the latest one. And after you have done that, just right click on your mouse, go to properties and go to driver. Rather go to power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer up is turned on. Do this for all the mouse settings as well as the keyboard settings. And after that, hopefully your problem should be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for control panel. From the best matches, just open up control panel. And after you have opened up control panel, set the view by to large icons. And after that, set the power options. Go to power options. And from here, make sure the recommended balance one is selected. And then just click on change plan settings. And after you do that, make sure everything here is set to never. Don't select 5 minutes, 10 minutes or anything. Make sure everything is changed to never. And after that, just click on change advanced power settings. And from here, scroll down a bit, go to sleep. Make sure sleep after is set to never. Just select it and set the time to 00 and it will go to never. Scroll down a bit and go to display and go to turn off display after. Also make sure this is set to never as well. If you don't find the option never, just set the time to 00. Then just click on apply, click on OK, click on save changes over here. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix laptop stuck in sleep mode on your Windows 11 laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.